Hi everyone, welcome to Get a Better Life TV on YouTube. This is where you can learn about Yoruba, Ifa, religion, spirituality, and most importantly, get spiritual help. I have been traveling around different parts of Yoruba land to scout for our real Ifa priests and priestesses, and also our Orisha custodians, just to answer important questions many of you need answers for. On this note, I have realized that Ifa reading is the first step ever needed to get spiritual help from our Babalawos. With Ifa reading, the direction of your journey in life will be revealed. You may have been doing things wrongly, but Ifa reading will give you messages needed for you to be spiritually and physically successful in your life endeavors, and as well to be guided. On Get a Better Life TV on YouTube, we have built a good relationship with our authentic Babalawos, who are as well our invited guests on the channel. So, should you need an Ifa reading with a feedback in a video form and with translations to any international language of your choice, message me via my WhatsApp number shown on the screen or in the description section of this video now. Thank you and get a better life.